Hello everyone. So today let us take a look at this question on the community. Now this question is interesting because you should be aware of how issue links work in Jira, and if you're new to Jira, then you might get confused with this. Now this question is actually about a couple of things. So number one, this person is trying to create an issue link type, and the name of the issue link type is something called as bug slash improvement something. I guess it is probably bug improvement critical. And if you look at the name of the issue link type, this name of the issue link type is something that you should not use when it comes to issue link type. Now, issue links in Jira is a way to link two issues together, two or more issues together, and the name should reflect the type of relationship. So if one issue is related to another issue in some way, then you should use that relationship name. So a relationship name could be issue 1 is blocking issue 2. So you can use blocks or blocking. One issue could be a duplicate of another issue. So this should be the name. Now I understand that you may want to create a link that will in a way give you an idea about the importance or criticality, but that is not the right way of doing things. If, let us say, you're trying to link your issue to, let us say in this case, a story or an epic to a bug, and that bug is critical. So use the priority field, use the right issue type, and of course use the issue link. And you can actually combine these things together to, pull out this information. So if I show you my Jira instance, and if I go to issue linking, there is a section, and so you can actually see all the links here. It says blocks, cloner, duplicate, parent child, and a few other issue link types that are probably not relevant. But the thing is that you should use relations instead of long descriptions when it comes to issue link types in Jira. And that is it. I thought I'll probably make a short video explaining this best practice, I guess. It is not even a best practice. It is more about, knowing how Jira works and different features work together. All right, that is it. I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.